Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a nail video. Finally, I feel like I haven't done a nail video in so long. I've actually been going to the salon, girl, and getting my nails done just because, you know, sometimes I like to be pampered and go and get them done instead of doing them myself. But I took that set off and I actually just applied a set of Beetles nail tip and glue set. I'm going to have that video linked down in the description box if you want to go check that out. But Born Pretty had sent me out a nail polish kit and I've been wanting to use it. It has some really fun colors in here for summer. I'm going to go ahead and pop up a picture for you guys so you can see the whole kit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the orange out of the kit and I'm just going to do a thin coat on my nails. And then I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds after I do a thin coat on all of them. And of course, make sure you don't get any on your skin. Wipe it off before you cure it. One great thing about their polish is it is a very low odor polish. So if you're sensitive to smells, this polish will not bother you. And of course, I'm going to have it linked down in the description box for you as well. You can get it right off of Amazon, which I love. Isn't this color so fun for like spring, summertime? I'm just like loving this orange color lately. Okay, so now that I got that thin coat done, I'm going to go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that I got that cured, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the orange and I'm going to do another coat of orange. And I'm just going to do these one by one. So I'm going to do a little bit of orange. I'm going to take the green and I'm kind of going to do like a little stripe and then a couple little spots of this orange. Now you see I got a little bit of orange, so I'm going to take and wipe that off on a towel so it doesn't mix in with that yellow-green color. I'm going to take this little ball and I'm just going to mix the colors together. Just kind of mix them around. Make sure if you get any on your skin, you get it off. And then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so same thing for this nail. I'm going to coat it in the orange. I am going to take some green and just run on top of the orange. Again, I am getting a little bit of orange on my brush here, but I'm just going to wipe it off on a towel so that way I'm not putting the orange back into that bottle. And then I'm just going to kind of mix the two together with this little ball. And then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Again, I'm putting the orange down. Gonna grab up some of this yellow, wipe the brush off, and then just kind of mix it around however you want it. Makes it a fun little bright tie-dye look. I like them because they all look different and it's super quick and easy. I think that this whole kit that you get from Born Pretty is a really nice summer spring kit. It's got some really fun bright colors in here. If you guys are wanting another tutorial on any of the other colors, please don't hesitate to ask me because I will absolutely do another tutorial. But I mean, anybody can do this little design. And I just think it looks so cute. And if you ever feel like this one I feel like doesn't have that much like this yellow color in here. So I'm going to go back and add just a little bit more. And kind of mix it in just a little bit. That's what's so nice about this type of design is you can go back and add in the color if you're starting to lose it at all. Again, just make sure you're wiping your skin before you're curing it. I am telling you, this design is like so quick. It really takes longer to dry the nail than it does to like do the little design. And we'll just add a little bit of this yellow in here. Of course, wipe it off. And then just do some swirling. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Nail Reserve No Wipe Top Coat. This is one of my favorite top coats to use. I'm just going to clear the top of these. Now I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that they're nice and dry, if you know, you know, girl, I'm going to use my favorite cuticle oil. I absolutely love this cuticle oil. It smells so good and it is great to add into lotions. I love to add it directly onto my elbows. Any place that I'm like super dry, it really helps so much. Okay, girl, so this is the completed set. I absolutely love how they turned out. I just want to say thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending this set out to me. Really cute, fun summer kit. Again, everything will be linked down in the description box that I used in this video today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!